Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Welcome back to the channel, you guys, and welcome to all you new subscribers. So you guys know that I love going to the Dollar Tree to find all these cool items for your nail business, or if you want to do your nails at home. So today I have a cool video for you guys, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start and showing you guys. So the first thing that I saw was these cute little bags. The thing that I really liked about them is that they're see-through and they have these little holographic trimming on them. So I really think this is a great way to store a lot of your stuff. And to be honest, since I have a winner for the Dollar Tree giveaway that is coming, and I think it would be great to put a lot of their stuff in here. It'll be really cute, and also you can store a bunch of other things that you may want, like nail art and things like that. But this is really cute. I thought this was fun, and even nail related, you could also do like a little makeup bag with this. So I don't know, I might just do that for me. And I was also thinking, like, they have so many, I could use it for my daughter's hair stuff. Okay, so then I found these really cool, really cute little diamonds. They look like those little teardrop diamonds that you can find online for your nails, and I thought that these would be great for nail art. It is from that cool what is it called, the brand Crafters Square. I've seen a lot of their stuff lately and it's been really good. So I'm gonna see, they probably are glue and whatnot, but you could probably remove that little piece so you can use them. I found more of these. I got 5 of them. This time, I promised you guys I did not take all of them. They actually had a lot. These are really hard to find, so yes, I did take 5. But I did leave a lot for whoever is around and may want to get them as well. These were $4. That's a great deal. And yeah, because I was actually running out since I have been doing my own color acrylics here and the glow-in-the-dark acrylics. So that's the other thing that guess what? I've got more acetone. This acetone is amazing. Yes, it works great for soaking off the nails, removing polish, removing gel polish. You guys, this is amazing. And I do recommend this acetone. It is 100% acetone. I was gonna say 100% off. I found this container. I got this one from the tool section. And the other ones that I have, I'm going to show you guys. The one that they have, look at the size, you guys. This is the ones that I used to get. This is pretty good too. They always have these as well in the like hardware section, I guess. But this one's a lot thicker, a lot bigger. You could probably put like your foils in here. But you know what I might do? I don't know. I was going to say I might put the bigger tips that I have in here. But I don't know if that might be a good idea. So we'll just see what I do with this. But this is going to be really good if you want to store nail art. You could probably even store tips in here, but it is pretty big. But, I mean, it wouldn't be that bad of an idea. But, yeah, you could put anything in here. You can store diamonds and other little things like that. Then I found this cuticle trimmer. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it and see if it works. I don't think I've ever tried this. I'm not really sure. I don't really remember. They may not be the best. But you never know with the Dollar Tree. But they may not be that great either, only because it just looks cheap. It feels pretty cheap. Yeah. Oh yeah, that feels real cheap. I want to see if it'll remove the diamonds though. Well, let me see if it'll remove. I don't really have that cuticle on over here. So, oh no, this is like not good. I'm trying to remove this little piece of dead skin here. Oh, and it's making more come off than it should. Oh, these are not safe. Sorry, y'all. Don't buy these for that. So I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, yep. I was gonna say, let me see if they'll remove the stones. Wow, this actually removes them really well. Like, they're really sharp enough for the stones to be removed. I'm actually shocked with this. So, okay, so at least you can buy this, guys, and you know that it's gonna take off all your stones. Wow, look at that. Wow, I guess we didn't waste our money then. This is great. I'm gonna use this to remove stones. Another thing that I got was this cool Lisa Frank stickers collection little booklet. And the reason why I wanted these is because I saw somebody, I think it was Femi Beauty, you guys. She does nails on YouTube. I think I saw her do something with this. So I was like, I want to do that so bad. I remember Lisa Frank when I was little. I used to buy the backpacks, the notebooks. I would deck out all my school supplies with Lisa Frank. And yeah, I think I'm going to be really excited to do this. Also, you guys, I did go in looking for these, and I know they always have them, so I was so happy that they did. But I also found these Kiss natural nail tips. Well, they're actually nails to do like a press-on look, but I'm not gonna do that. You can use these for tips too, and I'll be showing you guys too in the near future. I will be doing like a encapsulated Lisa Frank nail design. It's gonna be so fun, you guys, so stay tuned on my channel. That's why it's important to subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you guys are notified when I upload all these new videos. Okay, so the next cool thing that I found, you guys, is this drill right here, and I've been wanting to open it and try it out for so long. So these are only $1. I really doubt they're gonna be that great, but let's just find out. What does it say? Electronic base holder, shaping tool, cuticle pusher, buffing tool. So that's all that's in it. They have some directions in the back, so we'll be looking at that. It looks like I need to open this though. What the heck? I'm gonna have to get a little, what is it called? I think I may have one in my room. Okay, so I found these batteries, but this one looks super old, so hopefully that doesn't matter. So I found a screwdriver for my boyfriend's tool box. So I'm just gonna open this. It's a very tiny little screw. Okay. Oh, you just need one? Okay, better. So I'll put the better looking one in there. And we're gonna close it up. Okay. I don't know which one to put. I guess we'll just do this one. Do we just pop it in there? Some of them are like that. Okay, I think that should be good. So I guess you gotta hold it. And let's see if it'll take off the gel polish. I'm gonna raise it up a little more. Ooh, did I like put it in too much? I don't know. Let's find out. Definitely not too strong. It like stops a lot. Or is it because it's not all the way in? Okay, now it's all the way in. Still stopping. It feels like it's going in reverse for some reason. Okay. Yeah, it feels like it's going in reverse. It stops a lot. I wonder why. Okay, so I'm gonna try to remove this. It's not easy. Or I don't know, maybe did I put that on wrong? Oh wow. And it won't come off, so what the heck? Heck no. I'm gonna have to open this one to see what's going on. Because for some reason it's like dying out on me, or not dying out, but like it's stuck on me. So let's see. Moment of truth. I'm actually gonna get one of these and see if they fit. If it doesn't fit, then oh well. I don't think it does. These look a lot thicker maybe. They look pretty similar actually, so what the heck would the problem be? Oh, there we go. See, it's like when I go down, I'm right-handed and it's not working. I feel like it works in reverse and it's super cheap. I'm gonna put it more in. Yeah, and it stops. It's not like strong enough, basically. I'm trying to take it out. Oh, never mind, I didn't. I feel like this thing might be good if you want to just remove the shine off of the nail. See if I can. Yes, it feels so weird. I can't tell if it's like removing. Let me put it more in. I cannot tell if it's going forward or backward. I mean, yeah, all you could really use this for is your pets, or if you want to remove the shine off your natural nail, but I'm gonna say no. This is a big no-no. Don't get this thing. You're gonna waste your dollar. As weird as that sounds, $1 is still $1, and this is no good. Alright, enough of that. So let's finish everything else. So then I got, let me see, I got this, which is unnail related, but I heard Laura Lee say these are good for your lashes, so we shall see. And then I got these cute little nail art diamond bow accessories. They are so cute. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. Yeah, I could see me using these for something. They're very cute. Brings me back to like 2010. These were the thing back then. And I got one more thing, you guys. This is a little bag I'm gonna use for my change. It says make it happen. I liked it. It's the color green, color of money. So I thought this would be cute to keep in my like desk for change for clients. Yep, guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys subscribe and hit the post notification bell button so you guys are notified every time I upload. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what else you guys want to see in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye-bye.
Far away from the city lights,